Welcome to my English learning channel, Lingua Boost, the Slow English Podcast. Let's start speaking English now. This lesson is practical, simple, and powerful. You will speak English, not just listen. Please speak aloud and repeat every sentence. Use your voice, not your thoughts only. We practice English using real daily life. No grammar rules, no long explanations. Just listen, repeat, and feel confident. Speak slowly and clearly with me. Pause the video whenever you need. Practice each part at your own speed. Daily practice creates real speaking confidence. Mistakes are part of real learning. Stay focused, stay active, and enjoy. Let's begin your English practice together, learning through daily life. English is everywhere around you, every single day. Your daily routine can teach English naturally. While making tea, say slowly, I make hot tea. Repeat after me. I make hot tea. Great. Pouring milk. Try. I pour fresh milk slowly. Say it again. I pour fresh milk slowly. Perfect. While brushing teeth, say aloud. I brush carefully now. Repeat after me. I brush carefully now. Excellent. Getting dressed. Speak. I wear a blue shirt today. Say it slowly. I wear a blue shirt today. Good. During breakfast, describe your actions. I eat my toast. Repeat after me. I eat my toast. Very nice. While walking outside, notice things and say aloud. I see a tall tree near my home. Repeat slowly. I see a tall tree near my home. Excellent. Excellent. When you meet people, greet aloud. Hello, how are you? Say it again. Hello, how are you? Perfect practice. Cooking dinner. Speak. I chopped vegetables for my meal. Repeat slowly. I chop vegetables for my meal. Great job. While washing dishes, say, I wash dishes carefully every day. Repeat once more. I wash dishes carefully every day. Fantastic. Fantastic. Even cleaning your room teaches English naturally. Try. I clean my room and organize everything. Repeat after me. I clean my room and organize everything. Excellent work. Life itself becomes your English classroom naturally. Everyday actions give you real speaking practice. Always speak aloud and repeat every simple sentence. Practice this daily, and your English grows fast. Thinking in English naturally. Thinking in English starts with simple daily awareness. You do not need difficult thoughts or grammar. Start by naming things around you silently. Look around and say, this is a table. Repeat after me. This is a table. Good. Now say, that is a chair. Repeat slowly. That is a chair. Excellent. When you stand up, say, I am standing now. Repeat after me. I am standing now. Very good. When you sit down, say, I am sitting down. Repeat slowly. I am sitting down. Perfect. Perfect. While walking, describe actions inside your mind. Say softly, I am walking slowly. Repeat after me. I am walking slowly. Great. When opening a door, think, I open the door. Repeat slowly, I open the door. Nice work. While eating, Say, this food tastes good. Repeat after me. This food tastes good. Excellent. Excellent. Do not translate words into another language. Let pictures and actions create meaning naturally. Thinking in English becomes easier every day. Simple thoughts lead to confident speaking habits. Practice gently, and your mind will adapt. Speaking without fear. Speaking English feels scary for many learners. Fear is normal, but it can disappear. Confidence grows when you speak gently, daily. Start with short, simple sentences aloud. Say with me, I can speak English. Repeat after me, I can speak English. Good. Good. Now say, my English is improving daily. Repeat slowly, my English is improving daily. Excellent. Do not worry about mistakes right now. Mistakes mean your brain is learning actively. Say aloud, mistakes help me learn English. Repeat after me, mistakes help me learn English. Perfect. Perfect. Speak slowly and clearly without rushing. Your speed will increase naturally over time. Practice speaking alone before speaking publicly. Talk to yourself during daily activities. Say, I am practicing speaking English. Repeat slowly, I am practicing speaking English. Very good. Your voice deserves confidence and patience. Every spoken sentence builds inner strength. Fear becomes smaller with daily speaking habits. Keep speaking kindly and confidently every day. Everyday vocabulary growth. Vocabulary grows best through daily real situations. Do not memorize long word lists today. Learn words by using them naturally. Look around your room and name objects. Say with me, this is my bed. Repeat after me. This is my bed. Good. Now say, that is my window. Repeat slowly, that is my window. Excellent. Excellent. In the kitchen, name food and tools. Say aloud, this is a clean plate. Repeat after me. This is a clean plate. Perfect. Perfect. While cooking, describe actions clearly. Say, I cut vegetables carefully. Repeat slowly. I cut vegetables carefully. Great. Great. Shopping helps you learn useful English words. Say, I need fresh fruits today. Repeat after me. I need fresh fruits today. Very nice. Watching videos teaches natural everyday vocabulary. Repeat useful words you hear often. Use new words the same day. Speaking words helps memory grow stronger. Real vocabulary stays longer in your mind. Practice daily and vocabulary will expand naturally. Slow English listening. Listening is the foundation of strong English skills. Slow listening helps your brain relax. Relaxed brains understand language much better. Listen carefully without translating every word. Focus on sounds, rhythm, and meaning. Now listen and repeat with me. Say slowly, I am listening carefully. Repeat after me. I am listening carefully. Good. Listen again and repeat naturally. Say, I understand more every day. Repeat slowly. I understand more every day. Excellent. Excellent. Pause the audio when necessary. Repeat difficult sentences 2 or 3 times. Listening slowly improves pronunciation naturally. Your ears learn before your mouth speaks. Use headphones for better focus. Listen during walking or resting moments. Say, listening helps me speak better. Repeat after me. Listening helps me speak better. Perfect. Perfect. Daily listening creates strong language habits. Stay patient and enjoy listening practice. Shadowing speaking practice. Shadowing is a powerful speaking practice method. It helps your mouth follow natural English rhythm. You listen and speak at the same time. Do not stop the audio while shadowing. Start slowly and stay relaxed. Now, shadow with me carefully. Listen and speak together smoothly. Say with me, I speak with the speaker. Repeat after me together. I speak with the speaker. Good. Say again, I follow the natural English rhythm. Repeat slowly, I follow the natural English rhythm. Excellent. Excellent. Your mouth learns sentence flow naturally. Mistakes are okay during shadowing practice. Focus on flow, not perfect words. Practice shadowing for short daily sessions. 5 minutes daily gives strong results. Say, shadowing improves my speaking confidence. Repeat after me. Shadowing improves my speaking confidence. Perfect. Perfect. Shadowing daily makes English sound natural. Stay calm and enjoy this practice. You did great practice today, my friend. Every minute practiced makes you stronger. Your English is improving more than you think. Confidence grows when you practice daily. Do not stop after this lesson. Repeat this practice again tomorrow. If this helped you, please like. Subscribe for daily English speaking practice. Share this lesson with learning friends. Comment below about your practice experience. Tell me which part helped you most. Your feedback helps this channel grow. Stay consistent and trust your progress. English fluency is closer every day. See you in the next lesson.